hair gives.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. Young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind it feels right.
Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another wig video, as you would say. I am working with Isee hair today, and I just want to show you guys the beautiful packaging that they sent me. Really nice packaging. I love their new and updated box here. It's just really pretty. So this is their new updated box. When you open it up, this is what you get. This is what it looks like. Inside of the box, of course, you do have your wig. And then inside here, I do want to show you guys what all I got in my package. I got, of course, their little pamphlet, HD wig cap, which I already have on my head, ready to install. I have some Isee lashes. I love this. Needed some new lashes. And then I have, inside of this envelope here, I have their attachable band to put inside of the wig, which I will show you guys in the video. Okay, and then I have their nice silk bonnet. I love this. Thank you for this nice bonnet. I love bonnets like this. And I got their dust bag, which I always keep because I never keep the boxes. So let's get into this beautiful hair, y'all. I am so ready to show y'all this wig because I did take a peek at it already. From the looks of it, I know I'm gonna love it. So let's just open it up and see what it's giving. So, right out of the box, quality, you tell me, 10 out of 10 for me right now. Because, like, look at the texture, look at the quality. Like, you can see this, okay? Very soft to the touch right out of the box. You have the tag here. Look at this lace, y'all. Do you see it? It looked like it's already tinted for me, bleached and plucked. Like, what? Look at how amazing that looks. I'm so ready to put this on. Because one thing about it, baby, I love hair that already comes pre-done and pre-plucked, pre-bleached, all that for me. It does come with this adjustable band right here. This is the Ultra Secure Band, okay? You can remove it. You don't have to stay it on. It is removable. And then inside of here, this is a 6x9 lace. So this is the construction of the unit. And then the lace is already cut for you too. But I am going to cut a little bit more off. But look at the parting on this hair. It looks so freaking good. Like, that's literally scalp. This is where you can attach the extra band that I was just showing you guys in the beginning of the video. So I can stay this one on or put the other one on. But either one, it looks good. This comb in the back is removable, which, oh my god, like, thank god. Because one thing about it, I do cut these combs in the back of the wig because it hurts. And sometimes it's very uncomfortable. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. These combs are annoying. So this is, you can remove the comb. It's easier for you to remove, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to keep this comb on. I'm thinking about putting the other band on, but I'm going to actually try this band that's already on here, that's attached to it. Like I said, you can detach it if you don't want it, but there's no adjustable band in the back, so I will suggest wearing the band. They're actually pretty comfortable, so I'm going to try this on. I did adjust it to make it a little bit tighter for me, so let's see. So far, it feels very snug. Right on. Let's see. Wait, y'all. Wait. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see the lace? Do y'all see that? Okay, like, do you guys see how beautiful it lay down? And it's comfortable ear to ear. I don't feel it. It's not in my way. And I love the density of this. Look at that. I'm going to put a little bit of foundation on the lace so that it can match just a little bit, just in the front here. I am going to cut a little bit off, so that probably would be best for me. But look at that. That's amazing.
When it's wrong, I can't believe I fell for you.
going to use a little bit of my Wander Lace Adhesive Spray. I don't feel like I need to use any type of harsh glue or anything. Adhesive spray will be good. You can use adhesive glue like the white glue, but I feel like this lays down so good. It looks so realistic. Like, it's perfect. You see it's laid down. I don't have to use really nothing but to make this a little bit more transparent, which it is. It's super transparent, but you see the little line that's across, which is barely there, but I can see it. And I just use spray just to, you know, hold it from slipping back, which I don't feel like this wig is gonna do too much slipping because it's definitely secure. That band, it's something serious. Like, I can feel the band, y'all. Like, it's snug. The hair gives. Hair gives. Like, I can go out the door just like this and I'll be good. Like, I don't even need to do, like, it was ready for me right out the box. And this lace doesn't go all the way around the wig. This lace doesn't go all around the hairline. It kind of stops right here. So it's missing like the sideburn area. And if y'all see that, that's just my wig cap. I didn't have to do my wig cap this far down, so I am going to cut that extra wig cap space so y'all don't have to see that. But I can definitely take out my real hair, like my edges, and take out my own like sideburns in this wig, and I'm good to go. Honestly, I kind of like that because the first thing that pulls up on wigs is the sideburns, so I don't have to worry about that. I'm just putting this on, and I'm gonna stay it on for like 2 minutes just so it can melt. Quality, okay.
It's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I think about that from now. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family don't.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. You don't even see where the lace start or begin. Don't even have to say much. Didn't even do much. Didn't even do much, y'all. Like, little heat on the hair. She gives. I'm gonna be wearing her all week because she's super easy to put on. If I wanted to snatch her off, I could and go. Snatch her back on and go. Like, easy, comfortable, very soft in quality. So far, no shedding, no tangles. Very soft to the touch. Quality is very good. Yeah. Need I say more? Need I say anything else? I have nothing bad to say about it. You're not here for the super applications to put on a wig, like the over applications that you gotta do the whole process, and I can definitely say this is for you. And I've been wearing wigs for so long, and I'm just like, I kind of be over the process of putting my hair on my head and having to, the thought of, okay, I gotta do my hair, and I have to, the thought of me having to do my hair and the thought of me knowing that I have to put a wig on and I know the process of it can be a lot alone. And just to know that I have a wig that I can just throw on, it's easy, everything is pretty much done for me. Like, that just gives me less steps to do, you know. So yeah, this is definitely gonna be my go-to fall wig. We in that season, girl. So yeah, y'all, this wraps it up for my entire thoughts on this unit. I love it so very much. If you guys have any questions, anything that I didn't say about this hair, leave it down below and I'll get back to you all. But other than that, she's a winner. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you baby dolls in my next video.